25 days. 25 days and it's still snowing in June. Do you love it? I love it. Do you smell it? I smell it. Yes, the other day when I asked you, can you smell it? It was a skit or a line from the Gilmore Girls. And, you know, Lorelai wakes up, Rory, it's in the air, I can smell it. Oh my gosh, great memories. So it's still snowing, we're still saving. Only a few more days left in June. Come on, let's see where this snowball is taking us. Hi everybody and welcome back. Happy Tuesday. I hope you're having an amazing Tuesday. Our weather last night into today was almost snowball weather, truth be told. We went from hot as heck to actually sweatshirts. It was literally so chilly that it was long pants, socks, sneakers, and a sweatshirt. Yes. I actually, you know what I did yesterday? Oh, before we get into this, I went over and I was, if you know my backstory, TJ, he does clean outs and then sometimes he has a garage sale, but he just took a spot in an antique store for his high-end stuff that he's collected through the years. So I was over there and doing a mock set. He set it up himself. I was helping him price things, go over things. So I think I have a couple of pictures. I'll insert them here. Let's get into counting money and see where our snowball takes us. All right. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So that's $224. We got $224 today. And honestly, soon I'm going to have to explain how I count my money. Yeah, let me write this down first and then we'll talk about that for just a quick second. So I track my funds every day, and we are bringing $224 today. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We should count it down. 5 days left. $224. I do count my money differently, and maybe in tomorrow's video I'll go over that. It was something I was taught a long time ago, and for me, it works. If I make you confused, I apologize, but I promise when you're counting over $100, it definitely works. Yeah, it definitely works. Where are we going to go today? We're heading right into $1 a day keeps debt away. Why? Because from now until next year, we're going to be doing this daily. Yeah, we're doing it daily. And every month, I'm going to change the denomination. In the month of June, I should have bought a $2 bill. I forgot. Oh, you know what? Let's take this. Every day in the month of June, I'm bringing $2. Everybody's bringing something different. You know what I want to do? I don't know. I just want to. 1, 2. How many do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have perfect amount of money. This is my extra money in the back. I don't know. I just felt like keeping it in twos. So we're adding $2 today. Today is the 25th. So if we were supposed to, if we take 25 and times it by 2, we would have $50. And I said that I was going to count it once, put a tag on it, and say that from now until the end of the month, I won't have to sit here and count it, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Because there are 25 days in the month. I have 25 $2 bills, which makes it $50. So what we're going to do is we're going to just mark it as 50. Oh, how fun. Loving it. Okay. 50. $50 saved so far in the month of June. I actually said that I was contemplating bringing $4. I know it was an odd number. And then Heather says, it's my birthday. So now that she said it was her birthday on July 4th, I'm confirming July for me is going to be $4. I just think it's a fun number for July. The patriotic girl in me feels that way. All right. We got a couple of different binders out here. Where are we going with this today? I need to give Save Money 101 $20 for this week. So if you join us on the live, we have been saving not only hot money together, we've been saving this money together, right? Speaking of the hop, today is Tuesday, and Janet from My Modern Homestead went today. I'm truly excited. Thank you so much for participating. Then go check out Nikki with Dragonfly Saves and the Dramatic Panda. She's on Sunday. They are completing the end of the month for us. July calendar is linked down below. When you click that link, it takes you to my website. This is still free, but it's on my website. So go grab it. I did not do my hop yet today. But on Sundays, we do Saving Money 101. And I have to give this $20. 5, 10, 15, 20. I did not have a $20 bill, but $20 this week for the hop. And I'm going to stick that right there. I like to have my money allocated for what's coming up this week. I don't know if you guys were able to hear that or if the microphone picked it up. But as I was filming my video, I have all the windows, every window in the house open because it's that beautiful out. And I heard him, little Iro, meowing, meow, meow, meow. And he's like, I was like, so I put you guys on pause, and I'm like, go to the front door, and I'm like, hey, and he's like, and that, if you're a cat person, you have cats that just walk in, own the place. Iro, he rubs on everything. He is a lover. So I just let little Iro in for his afternoon snack. Yeah, he's a funny little man. All right, so we allocated 20. We did the hop. We did Saving 101. Let's move on to tires. Let's give tires its love, right? Oh, okay. Let's go back to the ding, ding, ding. I finished the sloth yesterday, and I did not put $1 in here. But do you know that I thought about it when I was going to bed last night? I was like, oh, I forgot. So let's put sloth. And Lisa Grateful Me, I don't know, but I have to tell you, that was a fun challenge for a snowball effect. Yeah, I was extremely happy with that. So we have 10, 20. So see, somebody said I counted the tens by tens, the hundreds by tens. And when I count the first digit. But when it's 100, you count 2 digits. So these are considered tens. This is 2. So this becomes 10, 20, 22, 23. So 235, 37, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. It's going to have to be its own separate video. 243 in the ding, ding, ding. Loving it. Then I have to show you. One of our villagers, this is what is in the shop for the, wait, hold on. For the trackers for the hop. And I said how I wished I would have done it the whole time. Well, Michelle, who is Seashell Saves here on the YT, she is one of our villagers. Look what she sent me. Do you see what she sent me? I can now go back when I have the time, right? I would love to do this. Take this, put it on my trackers, and have them. Is that not awesome? Thank you, Michelle. Love that. Love that. I just want to be organized. I feel like if you're organized in your funding, it's just an amazing thing. All right, we're getting into this. We are giving this $10. And we're going to, I know I say it every video. If you know what I'm going to say, hashtag you knew it. Slow and steady. I'm okay with it. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, add the zero back, $670. Woo, baby. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Not worried about no spend or baseball or anything like that. I'm going to put this one away. I have 3 more out. I'm bringing in this one. Inside of Goofy, we have our monthly. And I really do enjoy this one a lot. I think this is the 3rd or 4th time I've done this. I'm going to finish April. Now, each month is a $30 save. If you are a low-income budgeter, this is a great way. And if you can just keep it in there for 12 months, that would be amazing. Amazing. So we have $4. I'm going to throw that back in there. So I should have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We have $30. And I'm going to take this back. So altogether, we should have 30 for March and 30 for April. 25, 35, 45, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 30 and 30 equals 60. Oh, I get to ring the bell. I get to ring the bell. This is now complete. I'm going to put these together just like that. I'm going to take $1 from here. And I am going to put it into the Roger Rabbit Ding Ding Ding. And we have 6/25 is the date. We have April. I really just, the reason why I want to be caught up. I want to catch up. I want to get caught up for July. Yep. So we're at 244. That means 244 savings challenges have been completed since December 26th. And you know what the envelope says? When a bell rings in the savings and budget community, that means a savings challenge is fully funded. Love it. All right. Put this away until another day. But what I really think we have to do is this. I need $100. We got to break something. So let's break into tires. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take this back. All right. That got condensed just a little. I know it disappeared on me. I know it did. Does it disappear on you? Okay. What are we up to next? We did the month. Let's do Salem. We did this one. Let's bring in Salem. Ooh, Salem. This is a book. It's over on my.com. I am actually going on a trip with Bianca, Plan, Live, Budget, and Kelsey, Budget Better Life. And we are going to see the witches in Salem. All right. Each one of my cats is $5. They are $5. It's a guided walking tour, and it's for both John and I, and it costs $78. So what is that? 78, can't do the math, divided by 2. It was $39 a piece. So I want a little bit extra for the tip. So that's why I rounded it up to $100. So we're going to add 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, oh my gosh, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, please tell me I was supposed to do this, 65, 70, 75, 80, $85 is what I'm supposed to add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5. Okay. Haha, there's a reason. 85. So now we should have a total of $100 in here. Yep, we're going to ring the bell. We're going to take $1 out. Yeah, I was supposed to put money in here and I did not. Tomorrow, I have to add money to that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 75, 85, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $100. Okay, this is done. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this one. And I like to, when it's completed, I like to put a paper clip on the thing. So what I'm going to do is this, I'm going to leave it just like that. No, only because I wrote notes on that. But I can move this one forward because I did not write notes yet. If I had wrote notes, I would be in trouble. They'd have to stay exactly where they are. All right. Let's bring back our Roger Rabbit, right? We're going to bring this back. And we're going to add, I'm going to put Salem cats. And today is 6/25. Three savings challenges got completed. So that means there's $245 inside of this envelope. Loving it. All right. $245. We're not completing anything yet, so we're okay. I am going to give Pouty Tinkerbell, yes, I'm going to give her some money. I'm going to give her, do you see this? This is 52 saves, right? Save 52 times, and I'm going to give this $51 today. I'm going to try to, this is a goal. I'm letting you in on this goal. This does not have to be completed, so I need 51. Does not have to be completed this month, not at all. I don't need to have this snowballed. What I would like to see done is the higher denominations taken out, and then in July, this becomes a daily. That's how I would like to see this one get played out. So we have 5, 7, 9, 10, 102, and 1 is 3. We have $103 in this envelope right here. That is my goal. And I track on the front and I track on every envelope. So this is 52 times that you save, and by the time you're done, we'll have 1378. And like I said, if I can knock out the bigger ones, these can go no problem. No problem. That's my goal. We still have money. We have 20 something dollars. Let's see what we have. Because I am thinking, well, these two are now done. I'm actually going to take a fun clip and I'm going to put them together. So we have Airbnb, and I was up to the schooner. 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We have $30. Okay, I thought about this. Let's grab... I'm going to grab this one, right? The smaller ships are $10 each. The bigger ships are $5. So if we bring 10, 15, 25, 30, each row left is $30. I think this challenge can be completed this month. So we're adding 30, and we had 20, so we have $50 in here. 25, 35, 40, 42, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and one is 50. $50 in here. So really, what do we have in play? We have this. We have tires. Ooh, more might get done than I thought. I'm very excited to see where this rest of the snow falls and how that snowball picks up some speed. All right, if you are excited about how this is going, I don't know, give me a ship emoji. Hashtag the word ship. This way I know you're still with me at this point. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left in the stash. I would like to probably give this 5. I think I would. And we are on a mission. Remember, this is free over on the .com. Oh, did I tell you that already? Every Wednesday in July, we are going to save as a community. This is free. If you have a channel, link it. Free, 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 free to everyone. Let's all save together Christmas in July. Who doesn't love that? And who doesn't love free? All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. I will be back here tomorrow, and it will be snowing, so the forecast says. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.